Hi, this is an introduction video how weCall4you works. So let's assume you are trying to reach somebody and he's always busy. So you call here and then after dialing and trying to reach the target is just busy. It's in German here, but it's busy. So what you can do now is that you just copy this phone number and then go to your weCall4you app. So if you are here, you just paste this phone number. You have to allow that, of course. And then instead of dialing, you just let the app try to reach this target. So now it's trying the first time and is just dialing to the target. And when it gets busy, now it just tries again. You can close this app during this time or whatever you want. So it will now try 20 times to reach the target. Now the second try starts. Let's assume that now you reach the target. What will happen then?
Hello, this is John Doe's assistant. I am now connecting you to Mr. Doe. Please do not hang up.
So now you're connected. I have to hang up here to don't have this voice there, but now you're connected because the number that you wanted to reach took the call, got this announcement, and then was connected to you. So that's all. So here in this example, we had these two tries. Besides of that, you have different options to do some customizing. So important is that you have a verified phone number so that it can be displayed, that is at that point. So if you have verified here, then everything is fine. And you can have custom announcements. So by default, you will have this off. So that means there's a default announcement in your language, but if you want to customize, you can do that here by just changing this, for example, to your name, that it just tells the callee who is calling, and to just don't hang up to be connected to you. You can also choose the language here. These are the available languages and certain voice at that point. So these are the settings. And yes, of course, you can also choose a different user interface language. And that's all. So that's how it works, and I hope that helps.